but it goes psst. Like water should not make that noise the same as pop or soda, however you say it. They should not. They should just pour that on the fire and we'd be good. Everybody be good to go. My bad.
Well, about that psst, when you open it up,
Yeah.
that goes back to how the water was bottled in the first place. So it depends on how the process they use to bottle the water. And if they use CO2 in any kind of situation, you're going to get that pressure in that bottle that's going to cause that psst when you open it up.